Oh, that's big.
Oh.
Can I touch him? Say hi, Mr. Lobster. Take a video. Take a video.
Look at that.
She's not even scared. See, do you want that? Do you want to have dinner with us? Well, he is. Of course he's going to have dinner with us.
Yeah.
It's moving.
It's moving.
It's moving. Say no.
No, let her say whatever she wants.
What? Looks so awesome.
That looks so awesome.
So awesome. Look, can I touch your tail?
Yeah.
See his eyes, Alex? See his eyes
so
there?
soft.
His eyes are moving and his
Don't touch his, see
claws.
his little claws here? You can't touch
Yeah.
those. These little claws are on here.
What do you think about that,
Do you
Alex?
like the lobster?
This is soft.